What is up, guys? If you don't have templates on your CapCut app, here is exactly how you can fix this problem. All you have to do, guys, you want to go to your settings. By the way, guys, this works on Android phones and iPhone phones, so don't worry if you are using Android or iOS phone. This works on both devices. Okay, now just follow the steps. I'm going to start with iPhone users, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem on Android phones. Now if you have iPhone, guys, you want to go to settings, and after that, guys, you want to search for general. As you can see here, general. After you search for general, you want to click on language and region. Now after that, guys, if you can see here, guys, something says here region. You want to click on region. Now after that, you want to select your country here. Okay, you have to select your country. Now after you select your country, guys, if you already have this your country selected, now you want to just go to VPN and device management. As you can see here, in general, just click on here, VPN and device management. Now you want to click on VPN in the top. Again, click on add VPN configuration. Now if you can see here, guys, at the very bottom it says here manual. You want to click on manual and wait a few seconds. Click again on off, again on manual, again off, again manual, again off. Now after that, you want to click done in the top right, and then click OK, and this will fix your problem. If it doesn't fix the problem, here is the last solution which will work for everyone. Okay, when I click on general, again, always click on general, and then click on iPhone storage, and then search for CapCut here. After that, you want to click on upload app and wait a few seconds and click on reinstall app. Okay, after you click on upload, wait a few seconds and click on reinstall, and you will be able to fix this problem. Now if you are using, guys, Android, you want to go to your Play Store or App Store. You want to go to your Play Store and then search for CapCut. Okay, now after that, guys, it says here, as you can see, I'm going to click on CapCut. Now you will have to update the app to the latest version. Probably you don't have the latest version, because that's why you have this problem. Now if it says they're open, that means you have the latest version. But if it says update the app to the latest version. Now if you update the app and still this problem is not fixed, you want to go to your settings and search for CapCut. Okay, in the top, in the search box, CapCut, and make sure to clear cache. This will fix the problem 100%. Just make sure you clear the cache of the app, and you will be able to fix this problem. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what phone you have if it doesn't work for you.